Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I'm just going to be doing a natural type of makeup look for you guys. I know I always do makeup in my get ready with me's and stuff like that sometimes, but I never actually sat down and did a natural type look for you guys. So I made this video just to show you guys what I use and how I basically do my natural makeup routine when I do decide to do my makeup. So yeah, all of my products are affordable. They're more on the cheaper side, or the drugstore kind, if you will. But I'm basically going to do a voiceover, which is something I haven't done in like forever. So if I don't do an outro with me actually talking to you guys, then I'll see you guys in my next video with me talking like this. You know, you get what I'm saying. Yeah, but if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to use the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Facial Serum, and I got this when I purchased my items from Ulta, and it just came in as like a little free sample, and it works pretty good as a moisturizer, so I might go back and get it. For primers, I just like to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and I honestly don't know why I have this one because my face is just already oily enough as it is, but I just take a small amount and I put that over my face. Now I just use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil for my eyebrows, and this is in the shade Espresso, and basically I just line up my brows and I just fill them in all the way just to make them look somewhat decent. She said I need a new whip, yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Okay, so to clean up my brows, I just like to use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and it's in the shade Fresh Beige, and I just take my angled brush and I just line up my brows really good at the bottom, and then I take my beauty sponge and just blend out everything and make sure everything looks good on my brows, even though they probably still don't, but oh well. Okay, so for foundation, I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It's in the shade 335, and I just use my fingers to put this all over my face. I wish it had a pump, but I mean, I guess that's just how this one is made. But I just use my beauty blender to blend it in all over my face first, then I go over it with my foundation brush just to make sure everything is blended real nicely. Okay, so for concealer, I just use the e.l.f. concealer, and it's in the shade Light, and I just put it on the areas where I normally conceal it. And for this to be a drugstore concealer, it works pretty good for my skin. I just wish it had a wider range of colors that you could choose from, because the medium one was basically my skin color, so it was pointless in getting that. But honestly, this concealer does work well for me for now. I do like it, so yeah, that's basically what I use. Back with the NYX concealer, I like to put this on my eyelids just to prime them before I get started on my eye look. So now to setting, I like to use my Airspun loose face powder, and I put this on all the places where I put concealer, even on my eyelids. I just think that makes your eye look more bolder and prettier. So I'm basically just setting my face, and I'm going to wipe it off with my face powder brush or foundation brush, whatever. And basically I don't like baking, so I wipe it off as soon as I put it on, just to have my face look a little bit more matte. To start this eye look, I like to use the CoverGirl bronzer in the shade 165 Tiny Fauve, and I just put this all over my crease. Next, I like to use the Essence Spice Up Your Life palette, and I use the color Coco Loco just to put this in my crease as well, just to keep it simple. For highlight, I like to use the 3 colors Spiced Apple Cider, Curry in a Hurry, and Pumpkin Spice. And I like to put it on my brow bone and my tear duct just to kind of finish this eye look. For contour, I like to use the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I just put this on my cheekbones and on my nose. Then I just blend this out really well. Back of that same bronzer, I like to put that over my contoured areas and over my forehead just to bronze up my face a little bit. To complete this eye look, I use the Rimmel London 24 Hour Super Speed Volume Lash Mascara. Using that same eyeshadow palette and the same colors I used to highlight my brow bone, I am using that to highlight the rest of my face. To set my face, I just use the NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray, and I just basically spray this all over my face. For lip gloss, I just use the Essence Hollow Wild Dewy Lip Shine, and honestly, this is the best lip gloss I've ever had. Alright guys, this basically completes my first makeup tutorial on my channel, and if you guys like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see more makeup tutorials. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well.